Good morning. How are you? Fine. Now our favorite festival is coming now. Do you know which is this? Yes, in the next week there is Raksha Bandhan. And for that we are going to make Rakhi. Yes? Are you ready for that? Okay. What we need for that to make that Rakhi? Okay? We need one craft paper, any color you can take, but see, we are making flower, so which color flower you like, that color only you can. Don't take green, black for flower. Yes, no? Okay. And pencil, fevicol and scissor. Okay. And thread also we need, but about that I will tell you after. What you have to do, see how I am drawing now, like that only you have to draw circle. From the middle of this paper, what you have to do, you have to start draw, but don't draw complete drawing, continuously you have to draw. See, don't make thick line. Make sure you are going in same distance. Yes, like this you have to continuously draw. Okay, finish. This much enough. Okay, now what? Now from this point where we finish, from that point you have to cut continuously. See, like this you have to cut. Only cut what you drawn, that line. Continuously you drawn now, then you have to cut continuously. Like this. Extra paper keep aside. Okay, have to cut, continue that line. Continue, you have to cut that line. See, like this it is. Look, finish, done. My work done, huh? Finish. Now what? See, if you continuously cut now, it look like this, right? See, like this it will come. Okay, now from this point from which we start now cutting, from that point you have to roll this line. You have to roll this strip, say. You have to roll this strip like this. Only roll it. How tightly you roll now, then it become very good flower. Slowly you can do, no problem. Only roll this and hold it tightly. Hold it tightly and roll. Don't leave your hand. See, now in this end, what you have to do? You have to put some Fevicol here, spread it and stick this roll on that Fevicol like this and leave it. Press it like rose it is looking now. Nice. Neatly you have to stick. See. Press it and neatly you have to stick. Put some more. If not stick now, put some more Fevicol and stick it. Okay. Now take green color paper and fold like this. You have to fold now. One big part, one small part. Cut. Cut it. Now take big part, make square from that big part. Extra part you have to cut. Got one big part, one square. Okay, now fold it like this. You have to fold. Okay, now what you have to do, again one more fold like this and give leaf shape to this green part. See, it is too big. If it is too big, then cut more. See, we got leaf, 4 leaf. Now place your flower here like this. Okay, place it. Take Fevicol, place your flower. Nice. Now what you have to do with thread? I know you don't have fancy thread, thick thread. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to take this simple thread and take it 4 to 5 times like this. You have to take 4 to 5 times, then it will become thick. See, becoming now thick thread like this. You have to do. See, now cut this. Okay, now what? Now again take one small square, just cut. Okay, keep this here, put some Fevicol on this small square, rectangle, any shape you can take, no problem. Only for sticking that thread I am using this. Put your thread on that shape. Okay. Now take our flower and stick it like this. See your Rakhi. How it is looking? Nice? Okay. 3 more Rakhi I am showing you in different type. See, this one with the paper only I made. If you are having decorative form, decorative shapes, decorative thing, then only you have to put. If you don't have, don't buy. Okay. And 2 more Rakhi with clay I made. See, that circle one and this is in rectangle. Okay. Nice. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Hello kids, good morning. Relax na? Practice paper over, everything over, and our favorite festival also coming. And for that I will not allow you to relax. Okay? For that I am showing you flowers. We will make flowers. That flowers you will use for Ganpati Bappa decoration. Okay? And I will give some ideas also okay, how you can use that flowers. First we will start our flower. Okay, to making that flower, what material, which material we need, I am showing. See, we need any color of paper, any 2 color, but those paper should be in square shape, any size, which size, how much big flower you want, that square paper, that size square paper you need. Okay, then scissor, but when you will use scissor, please take care, and Fevicol. Okay, and one pencil for petal drawing. Okay, now we will start. See, take one square paper and fold this like this. Okay. Okay. Now here are 4 corners. One is not opening. Here 2 opening, and here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. This is 4 time opening. Right. And opposite this corner, here this one is closed. So you have to hold this corner which is fully closed. That corner you have to hold and fold this like this in triangle shape. Okay, fold. Now what? Now take a pencil and draw neatly petal. Lightly draw. See, first draw one middle petal. Okay, and then like this you have to draw. See, now we are cutting this portion, this one. Okay, see, like this you have to cut. How you drawn that shape, only that outline you will cut. Finish. Open this. See, Now here are some parts, 1 2 3 4 5 6 parts na. Only one line you have to cut. I am cutting one line only, like this. Okay, then how much you want, you can turn that petal inside, like this. See, okay, and stick that. Up. Put some Fevicol. See, and stick it. This is our flower. Okay, now what I am doing, one more small flower and sticking here. Okay, I took yellow color. Again same thing I am doing. Second time you can see neatly. Fold same. See, this much you know, easy this much. Now what? Yes, correct. Which is opening corner. This one opening, 1 2 3 and 4. Opening corner. That opening corner's opposite corner you have to hold and fold that. Like this you have to fold. Then correct. Draw petals. Easy. Middle petal first. This one. Only 3 petals you have to draw. Okay, and now cut this. Simple. When you will take a paper, that time please take thin papers, because otherwise it is very hard to cut. If you took thick paper na, then very hard. And you can take help of elders, huh? While cutting flower, you can take. See, then yes, this much part, this much lines you got. One line only you have to cut. Like this you cut and just turn that line inside. How much you want, that much you can take this inside and stick it. But before sticking, what you have to do, you have to color one circle in this flower. In middle only you have to color, like this. Okay, and now stick it. See, simple na. I made already many flowers. Then I will show na how you can use. So I already made. Now this small flower I am sticking in this big flower. See how nicely this looking. Nice. Put some Fevicol and stick it neatly. Finish. I made many flowers like this. Okay, now I will tell you how you can use these flowers. Only I am giving idea. Okay, if you done this only one flower, no problem. Okay, if you want to decorate you for your Ganpati, for that I am giving ideas. Okay, see now what you can do. If if you cut one strip of this newspaper now, only one strip, how much broad you want you can take. This you can take a paper strip and stick these all flowers alternate, one time pink, one time yellow, pink, yellow, like this. You can make a big strip and you can stick it on the background of your bappa. Okay, and you can make many types of strips. You can stick this strip to the edge of table also. Okay, that Ganpati for Ganpati decoration, right? Yes, and you can hang this strip in the background of Ganpati also. Okay, different color flowers you can make, like these flowers you can make, and you can make big strips and in the background you can stick. Okay, now I am showing one more idea about decoration. See, I made this type one big circle with newspaper. How I made? First I made this pipe, straw of paper, newspaper straw I made. This is very easy. I will show how you can make this straw. Just take this newspaper half and only roll it from corner, like this. Only you have to roll, thin roll starting, do thin roll, then see, like this. Only you have to roll and become straw. Okay, and at the end you have to stick it neatly. See, like this you have to make a straw and then only roll it, like this. Only roll it neatly, roll. See, like this, and in this end you have to put some Fevicol, stick it. Okay, and every time next pipe, next straw, join this here again put some Fevicol and joint. See, like this it will become this much big. Okay, this much big it will become. When you one after straw you will join now, then it will become this much big. Then what you will do, if you want you can stick this circle, this base with the paper. This paper also okay, or if you having gift wrapping paper, that also okay. Cover this with the paper, because this is made with newspaper now. So, and after covering that paper you can stick your flowers on this, like this you can stick. See, when we put Fevicol now, then it will stand like this. Okay, like this you can stick your flowers, or otherwise you can completely stick flowers only. If you don't want to stick any paper or anything now, you can completely stick with flowers only, like this you can stick. Okay, this one more idea I suggest you. Okay, but this is not compulsory. Only I want to show you how to make flower. If you made only one flower, that is also okay. And if you want to do full decoration to your Bappa, then use these ideas also. Okay, or other idea you can use, no problem. Okay, then you can make na. Yes, I know you can make. Okay, then say Ganpati Bappa Moria. Yes, and Mangal Murti Moria. Bye. Thank you.